If you've ever sat in the audience of a tech event and counted the men on the panel before you've counted the empty seats, this one's for you. So, I am building a tech festival in Australia for the girls with talks, workshops, art installation, DJs, a sponsors village, exactly 0 panels of dudes. It's called Techella and the waitlist is open and I am so excited about this. So pull up a chair, ideally not one bolted to the floor of a beige convention center, and let me tell you why this had to exist. Let's get into Techella, shall we? So this whole idea came to me as a vision as I was walking. I had seen Brand Nat, who is an incredible AI influencer in Australia, share a story on Instagram, and it was her on this grey keyboard. I think it was like a Microsoft event, and I slid into her DMs and was like, please tell me you jumped all over that keyboard and it lit up. And she was like, no, I was so sad. Only the Microsoft key worked. And I was like, damn, how good would it be to have like this light up keyboard and you danced all over it? And that kind of just set me on this path of Techella. So I was like, it would be so cool to have this like super girly tech event that is for women, by women, centering women who are doing cool stuff in this space, who are cutting edge, and just have fun and be like girlhood, right? So very different to anything that I have experienced and a lot of us have experienced going to conferences about AI or tech. So that's how this whole thing started. And I basically ran with the idea after that. So I'm going to walk you through everything that I did from that point to get us to where we are today. And also, if you haven't already, sign up to the waitlist. It's techcellafest.com. And there's also a speakers page if you're interested in running a workshop or speaking or an installation even, as well as sponsors. After that, I literally just opened up ChatGPT. They have the new image generator and gave it one Pinterest mood board and just like voice noted all of my vision into it, and it created this really cool logo for me. I then had to like muck around in Canva to get like a transparent background, and then jumped into Claude Code and was just like, hey, here's the vision. Let's get this waitlist page up and running. And it is so cool. I'm actually so proud of this. It's got like very Y2K vibes, but kind of futuristic too, and super girly. And the cool thing about creating this whole page was I just described what I wanted in Claude Code and described the vision. And then when it showed me stuff as a preview, I was like, yes, oh no, I don't like this. And it could just quickly make these changes. One of the coolest things was I was like, I really want like a kind of text exchange for people who are interested in sponsoring this event. So it coded this whole little tech exchange, which you can check out at the bottom of the page. And this is what blows my mind. Like, it is so cool to just think that you can come with some super creative idea now, and the barrier to entry is literally 0. Like, if I had even 5 years ago, I would have had to have a developer on board who understood my vision, and it would have felt like a real risk to pay someone before I had even validated the idea. And PS, the idea is validated. I already have sponsors on board, and there's over 200 women who have signed on for the waitlist already. Plus, I think we're up to like 45 speaker applications. And I guess then just coming back to the why behind this. So I really wanted to create an event for women that centers women in this space. And I want it to be immersive and interactive. I don't want it to just be speakers. There will be a few key speakers who you actually want to hear from who are really kind of pushing the limits, not just like maybe people that you've seen before. Like, we are thinking outside the box here. And also workshops, and so people can like come in and have a go at something. I would actually love to get a cyber deck station where you come in, you can watch someone build a cyber deck. If you don't know what they are, they're like little personal computers. And on like TikTok and Instagram, there's women creating these, and they're like in like Polly Pockets, and this, it's like art meets like computers, and it's very, very cool. I would love to have a station where people are building these in real time, and you can come in, you can watch, you can ask questions. Same with like vibe coding workshops, as well as like art installations. And the Sponsors Village, I have this beautiful idea to have like a beauty bar as well as tech and other brands in there, just so it's like this real merge of fun, girlhood, but also has substance to it too. And then community. So it's like the group chat, but in person. And some of the non-negotiables too are 0 panels of men. And this isn't about hating on men. It's that we have all heard them, or we have been the one token woman on a panel, and they're going to hit you with the questions about ethics. I'm tired of that, and I know that so many women are as well. And there's also the aesthetic piece. Like, I just want this to be so much fun for everyone. I want the girls to be so excited. You are planning your outfits of what you're coming and what you're wearing to Techella. And so what's not announced yet is the city and the date and the lineup. That is coming. That is exactly what the wait list is for. We are in talks at the moment with a couple of venues. So as soon as that is announced, those on the wait list will know first. So as I said before, if you are not on the list, get on there, techellafest.com. And if you know anyone who is interested in being a part of this in some way, make sure you send them that link and just get talking about it too. So I guess another thing I just want to circle back to is like, this isn't like a man hating event. I'm already getting some people. I had like a guy on LinkedIn just being like, oh, this is going to date, or like, you are. And I'm like, no, you are absolutely allowed, but we are centering women. So yeah, this is going to be a women-led event. We are sick of, I guess, just being the token or the small percentage. I want to show people that there are so many women in this space doing cool shit. We just need to have the opportunity to center them. And so if you're wondering if Techella is for you too, so this is for anyone who has an interest in this space. So you could be a founder who's using AI to, just build stuff in Claude or ChatGPT. Maybe you haven't been to a tech conference because you are overwhelmed, or you think, oh, maybe I don't belong there. This is for you, because this is just going to be fun, okay? And you will learn stuff too. It's also for people in marketing who's been asked to be like the AI person at work, creatives too. This is going to be like a blend of AI, tech, creativity, and culture. And so this is going to be the event that so many of you wish existed. Also, you're all getting taken on the journey of this. So I'm not an event producer. I do have like a hospitality and events background from a lifetime ago, but we're going to make this happen, and you're all going to come on the journey with me. It's really interesting. I am just acting like this is happening, and so therefore I know it will. But honestly, underneath that, I'm like, you will make this happen. And the momentum that we have already created from this, from just like putting this out there, I've had people like be like, let's chat about founding sponsors already. And I think that just speaks so much to, if you truly believe in something and you want to make it happen, like, just start acting like it is happening, because you will make decisions that are aligned with that, you taking action. And then also people are going to be like, oh, okay, this is happening. Yep, I'm in for this. And so along this process too, I'm going to be showing on social media how I'm using AI and automations to kind of do all of this, because that is going to be a whole part of it. Like, that is literally how I run my business, and this will be supporting that as well. Like, I have in Claude Code, obviously it has built the website, the wait list, and all of that, but we have like all of the operations to consider too. And I'm sharing all of this because There are so many founders who have been in this position before where you just like, I'm going to make this work. I don't know, but I'm going to do that. And so I think it's important to kind of verbalize this stuff because often what we see is the finished product, but I will be taking you on the journey of this whole thing. And, I'm sure there will be some moments where I'm like, I'm in over my head. I think that is part of running a business and really trying to grow something worthwhile. And honestly, if you're not a tiny bit terrified, you're probably building something too small. And I guess the other thing that you'll all witness through this is the ADHD of it all. I cannot build this in a linear order. I'm building this from a vibe. I have the feeling of the room before I have the floor plan, but that's all part of it. And that's how my brain works. And AI will support me in all of this. And I know that there's heaps of neurodivergent listeners out here, and you know exactly what I mean by this. The way that we can have these ideas and we're just going to execute on them. Before AI, I guess we got bogged down in the overwhelm. So I am bringing to this what nobody else can. And I'm allowed to say this because we've just talked about the ADHD. So I get to balance it with the win. And that is, I know how to build community. I've done it multiple times. I have a podcast that you listeners are so loyal to. And I have a school community where I've created this incredible, incredible community that I am so proud of. And I have a really decent audience now. I am up to 50K across channels. And I know that there are so many women who will just already just running with the idea of this. So yeah. And there also will be stuff that AI can't do. It's not just going to magically book the venue for me. It can't pay the deposit. We won't replace the human elements of this, but it will play a supporting role in this. And it will be in person too. I'm getting lots of questions about that. And the reason for that is you can't recreate what I am imagining in my mind online. This, as I said, is going to be immersive, interactive. And look, if it goes as well as I think it will, we will take it to other cities. So if you can't make it, that's okay. But once the city and dates are announced, absolutely try to be there because the first one is going to be amazing. Experience Techella for the first time. All right, that's it. It's time. Let's do the AI confession booth. So if you've never heard this before, it's the bit where I tell you the weirdest ways that I've been using AI this week. And you can decide whether you're going to be horrified or take notes. I've kind of touched on it in this episode, but Claude Code is like my co-founder of Techella at this point. I have this full pillar now that is Techella. It has all of the code base for the waitlist, the website, and then I have all of the operations sitting in there now too. That I just feel like that is the way that we're all headed anyways. These are going to be co-workers for us. So this is like a good experiment to kind of show you all how I do it. Yeah. And if anyone else is using AI like this, drop into my DMs. Let me know how you're using it as your co-founder. As I wrap this episode up, I want you, if you have not already, jump on that wait list, drop your email. This is the only place where the city, date, and lineup will drop first. So if you're on the list, you will get that before it's on Instagram. The wait list gets everything before anyone else. So if you're a brand too, or you know of one who really fits the vibe and vision of this, there is also a partnerships, sponsorships page on the website. Yeah, so slide into my DMs there. And if you're a woman who should have been on one of those stages, or you have a workshop that would love to bring to Techella, jump on the speakers page and submit your application for that. Get on that wait list and make sure you tag and share this with people who are interested too. And so, if this one has got you feeling excited for it too, please send this to the group chat for me. This is genuinely how this thing will grow. Not ads, not algorithms, just you and the group chat. I think there's already over 200 women on that wait list just from a couple of posts. So, let's see how amazing we can get this. And I will chat to you on the next episode.